Today we are making a spicy saucy plate of street style Semiya noodles. This quick and tasty twist on vermicelli will hit all the right notes, desi, chatpata and full of flavor. First take 1 cup of roasted Semiya or vermicelli. If it's not roasted, dry roast it until golden. Now boil it in enough water with a pinch of salt. Cook for just 4 to 5 minutes. We want it soft but not mushy. Removing the froth that forms on top. Check if it is done. Don't overboil. Now drain it and rinse under cold water to stop the cooking. After this process, set it all aside in a large plate or a tray like this by greasing it with little bit of oil and spreading the cooked Semiya with the help of a fork. Let's start chopping our vegetables. Here I have taken 1 onion, 1 carrot, half capsicum, green chili, ginger and garlic. Also I have some chopped cabbage. In a hot pan or wok, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add chopped ginger and garlic, green chilies and saute. Add all the sliced vegetables and let them sizzle. Make sure to stir fry on high heat only. We want all the veggies to be crunchy but not overcooked. If you reduce the flame, then the veggies get soggy and they won't taste good in the end product. Don't forget to keep stirring. Now for that street style magic, you have 2 options. I am using the readily available noodles masala powder. If you don't have this in hand, you can make your own masala by adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of vinegar, a pinch of sugar and a bit of salt to balance the flavors. Now mix it all up. Drop in the boiled Semiya. Toss everything together on high flame. Make sure every strand of vermicelli is coated in the delicious spicy sauce. Be gentle while doing this process. Finish it off with some chopped spring onions, sprinkle of pepper or your favorite herbs or seasonings, and it's done. Your hot, spicy, street side Semiya noodles are ready to serve. Perfect for a quick snack or a light meal. If you enjoyed the street food twist, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching till the end. See you next time.